Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Costa Rica? Let's explore. Construction jobs are always in demand, especially with steady growth in tourism and housing. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker in Costa Rica is around $9,600, which comes down to about $800 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $8,400 or about $700 per month. Region makes a big difference. Workers in San Jose can make above $10,000 per year, while those in smaller towns might earn closer to $7,000. Experience also matters. Entry-level workers may earn around $6,000 a year, while highly experienced ones can earn up to $12,000. Having extra certifications can boost the pay as well. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.